Peeps have a long history on the Lou Just Lou channel of assisting with experiments. We've had Peeps meet the Tesla coil, Peeps face the coil gun, and now Peeps in the vacuum chamber. We all know that they're the absolute worst thing to get in your Easter basket, kind of like the functional equivalent of socks at Christmas. So this is a better use for Peeps. They're made out of marshmallow, which has a lot of air trapped in it. So if we were to use a vacuum pump to pull all the air out of the bell jar, let's see what happens to the dreaded Peeps. So now, if we let all the air back in, most of it's been pulled through the sugar. You now end up with mummified Peeps, or what I like to call gummy Peeps. So there you go. What Peeps deserve as the worst gift ever. They become gummy Peeps. And they taste just like a Peep. They just don't have any air in them. So they're chewy like a gummy. Thanks everybody, and thanks to our scientific volunteers, the Peeps.